So today we're talking about Boyle's law of expanding gas. And what this law says is that as we ascend, as we move upward, gas within a container is going to expand. Now right now we're at 43,000 feet and we're pressurized to about 6,500 feet in the aircraft. And if you look at this bag of potato chips here, you can see how this bag has gotten nice and tight because the gas inside the bag has expanded. Or more precisely, the pressure outside the bag has become less. Now, why is that important to us? Because every pocket in the body, every cavity that contains gas inside the human body, inside your patient's body, is going to expand as you ascend. So what do we need to be thinking about? One, our ventilator. That same 500 cc tidal volume I was putting in, say, at sea level, and then I climb them out to 6,500 feet of cabin pressure, that gas is going to expand within his lungs because the pressure outside the body became less. Now, most ventilators compensate for this. Make sure you know your equipment. Other things, the ET tube cuff. For those of our colleagues flying rotor, it's not so much of an issue, but in the fixed wing environment, it definitely is. Think about the air inside that ET tube cuff, and now think about the air inside this bag of potato chips. So it's important that we remove that air, replace it with saline before we take the patient to altitude, and then remember to switch it back to gas when you land so the RT at the receiving facility doesn't freak out and go, what's all this fluid inside the ET tube cuff? Other areas, the gut. The gut contains air. So we'll probably have a G tube, an OG, or an NG tube down them. That has to be ventilated. We have to open that up and make sure we vent that during the flight so that gas can escape. So again, this is Boyle's law of expanding gas. Remember, as we ascend, every gas inside a container is going to expand. We need to think about that. Now, when we land, we're going to take another look at this bag of potato chips and see the effect of the descent on this bag of potato chips.